MRE because for some reason I've always wanted to try one of these. I've seen people cut it open, but like you don't have scissors in the field, no? So I feel like I gotta find out how to get this motherfucker open. Okay, like how do y'all get these open? Okay, so we got it open. We got it open. It's a nice little brick. Yeah, I don't know why I've always wanted to try one of these. I've always wanted to try MRE, and I've always wanted to try space food. And this is a lot, like, of continents. This is number 16 Mexican chicken burrito bowl. We have pepper sauce, a bag, the chicken burrito bowl, a Hot Pocket sleeve, baked snack crackers, hot and spicy cheddar, a packet Cinnabon. Y'all out there getting fed in the field. Cheese spread, tortillas. Oh, I don't have a drink. I'm thirsty. Oh, that's so bad. Okay, let's let this cook while I try the snacks. Operating instructions, remove the MRE. I started to read the directions, then stopped reading. Remove MRE pouch and paperboard sleeve from MRE. Clear. Damn, can I read? Was I supposed to do that? I don't know. I don't think I was supposed to do that. No, I wasn't supposed to do that. I can't read. While holding MRE pouch and heater. Okay, y'all. I didn't think it was doing nothing, but as I was pressing record, it burnt me. So I didn't mess up too bad. But I think I was supposed to leave more on. I don't know. Let's put it in the Hot Pocket sleeve and let it do its stuff. Ooh. Let it do its thing. Oh, it's steaming. Can y'all see it? Can we? Oh, it's cooking. Let her cook. Okay. All right. What do I try? Let's try the hot and spicy cheddar flavored baked snack crackers. Y'all are getting fed. Cinnabon and Cheez-Its. And these ain't no regular Cheez-Its. Like, these are some... It is weird. I could serve and protect. I could do it. Okay, so I got a drink beverage bag, but no beverage. These are cool. These are cool. I would eat goldfish over Cheez-Its, but that's cool. Yo, I'm tripping. I have a beverage. Okay. This says hot beverage bag, but I'm going to put the cold beverage in here too. Mine is lemon lime flavored. Okay. I'm going to put this in here, put some water in here, and I'll be back. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, this is kind of fun. Like, this is kind of fun. All right, let's try it. I didn't expect this color. It's not bad. It don't really, it tastes similar to Gatorade, but it tastes sweeter than Gatorade. It kind of tastes like Sprite if it was a juice. All right, let's try the tortillas with, let me open this. Let me make sure. I think this is just regular stuff. Don't want coffee. All right, let's try the tortilla with, they smell weird. Let's try it with the cheese spread. Okay, done. you that enough. Oh, it's breaking. It's leaking. I think this is going to be the worst part. Jesus Christ. I got to fold it. I can't look at it. Let's spread it out. I don't really like unmelted cheese. I am going to snack on these Cheez-Its until our dinner is ready. And I'm going to save dessert for last. Because I can't believe y'all out here eating Cinnabon in the field. Like, you know, granted, y'all deserve it. You deserve it. Thank you for your service. Okay, y'all. It's been like 10 minutes. And it doesn't feel... I should have laid it down. But I didn't want to lay it down. Because I wasn't supposed to rip it this much. But we're just going to... I hope this doesn't skew the taste. I'm going to try to only taste the part that's warm because I really hate cold food. So to give it its best shot, we're going to try the warm part. Okay, I cheated and used some scissors because I wanted y'all to be able to see it. It really just looks like, I don't know, one of them like rice packets that you be getting that's like already made. It don't look good, but I'm trying not to think that. Let's try it. I'm not gonna lie, I drank majority of that juice and my stomach kind of hurts now. Not gonna lie. I gotta get that out of my head. I thought it was gonna be nasty, so it is. It's not terrible. Maybe I cannot protect and sir. Let's try it with the hair slaw. Oh, that smells hot. Yeah, my stomach hurt now. Why do they put it in this food? I'm not gonna eat this, so. Yeah, this just looks terrible. I'm sorry. And it's not hot whatsoever, and I hate cold food. Let's move on to dessert, right? Because, like, you can't mess up a cinnamon roll. Feeling it, I thought it was, like, a bunch of small, like, little cinnamon. I can't read. What the fuck is this? I'm sorry for everything I said at the beginning of this video. Oh, this tastes like something. Wait. Oh, this tastes like something familiar. Something like we used to eat for breakfast or something. Overall, I would eat it if I had to. They feeding us alright in the field. By us, I mean y'all. Thank you for your service.